Week 18 of pregnancy is an exciting milestone, especially when it comes to discovering your baby's gender. If you're considering a gender reveal, there are plenty of creative options to make the moment unforgettable. First, think about a classic gender reveal party. Invite family and friends to share in the joy. You can reveal the gender with a cake that has colored filling, or with balloons that release pink or blue confetti. If you're looking for something more intimate, consider a private reveal with just your partner. A simple yet meaningful idea is to open a box containing a small item, like a onesie or a pair of baby shoes, in the color that represents your baby's gender. For those who love a bit of adventure, why not try a gender reveal photo shoot? Capture the moment with colored smoke bombs or paint powder. These vibrant visuals make for stunning photos that you can cherish forever. If you're a fan of surprises, consider a gender reveal video. Record a short clip of your reaction to the reveal and share it with loved ones who can't be there in person. It's a wonderful way to include everyone in the excitement. Remember, the most important thing is to choose a reveal that feels right for you, whether it's a big celebration or a quiet moment. The joy of discovering your baby's gender is a special experience. As you plan your reveal, keep in mind that it's all about celebrating this new chapter in your life. Enjoy the anticipation and the happiness that comes with it. Whatever you decide, make sure it reflects your personality and the love you have for your growing family.